So let's make a clock. And then I'm going to cut that, and then cut it again, and then cut it again. And I've got one cut, now I just need to cut 3 more. I've also got some new glue. It dried yellow, which is good because I can see where it squeezes out. One thing I have to say, it's extremely hard to squeeze out. Now I just need to let it dry. Here, and I'm just marking around it. Okay, now I've marked it around it. Now I'm just going to cut it out with my saw. So I'm just cutting it out with my saw. And I was just going to cut like that the whole way around on all the corners. So I'm just drilling a hole in the exact center for the worm screw to go in. Since I'm going to wood turn it on the lathe. So I'm just attaching my worm screw into the chuck. Okay. Now it's on, now I just need to get the piece of wood. And I'm now just going to thread the piece of wood onto the worm screw. I'm just binding on. The reason why there's the man's face right there, like there, is because I used a piece of newspaper and it just happened to be on there. So, mental note for next time, don't use a piece of newspaper with the person's face on it because it looks kind of creepy on there. Okay, now I've got to thread it on, let's start turning. Okay, to read all this, I've wood turned this here, now I'm just going to wood turn it on the other side. And I'm just taking it off the lathe. Okay, here it is. So I've got this clock mechanism. I just assembled another clock. I got it for like $5, pretty cheap. So I'm just going to get this and I'm going to put it on the piece of wood and then mark around it. So let's do that. I need to be very careful while I'm doing this because if I bust through the, if I drill too far and it goes through the other end of the clock, then I'll have a big hole and I have to just start all over again. So I'm being very careful and using my calipers to check. I'm now going to varnish it. I want to varnish it and then put the mechanism in, and then I'm going to put the numbers on. Now I'm just going to toothbrush and I'm just going to slide it onto the hole so it doesn't touch the sides of anything, and put stuff on the end of the clock. Now I'll just let it dry. It is officially ticking. So hopefully you liked the video of me making this clock. Please subscribe and ring the notification button, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm really trying to get up to 100 subscribers. So maybe you could consider subscribing.